Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift flip out of 5 old pairs of jeans. In this video I will be showing you how I made a patchwork corset top, a skirt, and a shoulder bag out of 5 different colored denim jeans. I started off by undoing the seams from each of the pant legs and cutting off each leg from the waist part. I then used some masking tape and my dress form to create the pattern for the corset top. It's ideal to use draping tape, but since I didn't have any, I used my scissors to cut the pieces of tape a bit thinner. Here I used the tape to measure out where I wanted the seams for the corset top to go. I then used my pattern paper and my pins to pin along where I put the masking tape, and I did that with each piece of the corset. Here I took my scissors and I cut out each piece one by one. This is what it should look like when you finish cutting out all the pieces. I then took all of the pieces and I traced them over new pattern paper to make all of the pieces a bit cleaner. I then took my ruler and measured about a ½ inch seam allowance around all of the pieces. I also marked all of the pieces 1 through 6 and marked the top and the bottom. Here I cut off the pant legs and pinned down my pattern paper onto the denim. This is what it should look like when you finish cutting all the pieces. Make sure that you cut out 2 of each to go on each side. Here I arranged all of the pieces and folded out where I wanted the seam to go. Make sure that if you do a denim project like I am, you use a denim needle and some denim thread. It will make the whole process much easier. Here I sewed down the seam where I had placed the pins previously. Okay, so moving on to the skirt. Since these jeans were a little too small for me, I detached the front and the back part, and I cut a straight line along the bottom of the jeans. I then cut out an extra piece of fabric to add to the sides of the skirt so that it would fit me. I sewed down those pieces to the sides of the skirt, leaving one side open. It's important for you to leave one side open because it'll make the process of attaching the patches easier later on. Here I cut out about 3 rectangles from each wash of denim, measuring 7 centimeters wide by 18 centimeters long, and then I arranged them to how I wanted them to look. I then pinned down the edges of each rectangle piece and sewed along the edges, kind of how we did with the corset top, but this time I folded the edges inside rather than outside to avoid fraying. Here I arranged all of the rectangle pieces onto the skirt according to how long I wanted the skirt, and I sewed it down. I would recommend that you sew a little higher than I did, about a half an inch or so, to avoid unstitching in the washer, because that happened to me and I had to go back and fix it later on. So yeah, if you want to avoid that, just stitch a little higher. Moving on to the bag, I cut out about 16 patches of different colored denim measuring 8 by 8 centimeters, and I arranged them to how I wanted them to look. I then pinned down each patch with the one directly above it, and then after sewing that down, I sewed down those pieces all together until I had one side of the bag.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
Here I ironed down the patches to make the seams flat, and I also ironed down about a half an inch on one edge where the zipper is going to go. I used a 14-inch zipper and pinned it along the edges I ironed down. I then switched out the regular foot to a zipper foot, and I used that to sew along the pins. Here I pinned and sewed down the sides of the bag. I used another shoulder bag to reference the width of the bottom of the bag and cut out another piece of denim measuring 28 centimeters long by 8 centimeters wide. Then I used that piece and I pinned it to the bottom of the bag. I also used that same bag to reference the shoulder strap, which measured 46 by 3.5 centimeters, and I cut out a piece of denim measuring that length, and the width I cut it out 3 times as wide. I then folded in each edge of the strap and I sewed down on the sides.
It's not for me to say you love.
Here I cut out a piece of fabric to attach to the strap measuring 9 by 18 centimeters, and I sewed down the sides, and then I cut that piece in half. I used some silver hardware that I ordered on Amazon to attach both straps and secured it on the bag using a straight stitch.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So this is the finished product. I'm very pleased with how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion and sewing content. Bye guys!